Welcome to CHLOEN's farm poultry as we are dealing in broilers. If you want to book, they are 4 weeks. Yeah, they are 4 weeks and 3 days. So if you want to book, contact me and let's be business partners. And I'm looking for clients that I can supply to the broilers at an affordable price. Contact me into my inbox so that we get to business. There are 4 weeks, and that is next week by 10th to 12th. There will probably be 5 weeks, and their kgs will range from 1.4 to 1.6. If you're working in restaurants dealing into chicken production, let's make business.